Welcome to the official LDP Sniper Bot tutorial. Today I'm going to walk you through the complete setup process and show you how to run the bot to automate your trading strategy on the Deriv platform. Let's get started. First, navigate over to the strategy selector located on the left-hand sidebar. Click on the Strategy Chooser button. From the drop-down menu, you have several options, but for this specific demonstration, we are going to select the higher-lower roll cake strategy. Once you've selected your strategy, click Next to move to the configuration screen. Here, you can fully customize your trade parameters, including the contract types, the specific volatility index you want to trade, and the tick duration. Make sure to set your barrier offset to a level that matches your personal risk appetite. Once you are satisfied with these settings, hit the Save button to apply them. Next, we need to move into the Risk Management section. This is where you define the boundaries for your trading session. Start by entering your stake amount, followed by your target profit and your stop-loss limit. For this particular session, we are setting a $2 stake with a $10 profit goal. One of the best features here is the virtual loss toggle. By enabling this, you allow the bot to analyze the market and test the strategy with virtual funds first, only committing real capital when the conditions are right. This is a great way to protect your balance. When you're ready, click Save to lock these values in. Now, let's configure your money management strategy. Choose the management mode that fits your style. Martingale is a very popular choice among our users for its ability to recover losses quickly and keep the momentum going. In this setup, we'll set the multiplier to 3.1 and define the maximum level. Setting a maximum level is crucial because it ensures the bot will stop automatically if a losing streak goes too far, protecting your account from major drawdowns. Hit Save to finish the final step of the setup. With all of your configurations locked in, look down at the bottom left of the interface and click the large green Start button. The trading output console will spring to life immediately. You can watch as the bot authorizes your account, establishes a secure connection, and initializes the roll cake strategy based on your exact specifications. As the bot begins to trade, you can monitor every single movement in real time. The Session Statistics panel at the top of the screen provides a clear overview of your current balance, your total profit or loss, and your overall win rate. Notice how the bot executes trades with lightning speed and precision based on the parameters we defined earlier. If the market takes a dip and a loss occurs, the Martingale logic automatically calculates the next stake to recover that balance on the very next winning trade. The bot is designed to be disciplined. Once it hits your preset target profit, it will stop trading immediately to secure your gains. You will see a notification saying, "Target profit achieved," appear in the console. This is the smartest way to trade. Set your target, let the bot handle the execution, and walk away once you are ahead. That's everything you need to know to get started. You are now ready to start sniping. For more information, advanced tips, or to get started with your own bot, visit binarybot.live/sniper. Happy trading!